The government has agreed to extend the RON95 petrol subsidy to public passenger boat operators through either the BUDI MADANI RON95 initiative or the Subsidised Petrol Control System, with details to be announced later. Domestic Trade and Cost of Living Minister Dato' Armizan said this decision was made after discussions in a recent cabinet meeting involving the Finance Ministry and related agencies. Armizan said as an interim measure, public passenger boat operators may claim cash rebates for petrol purchases by submitting official receipts.
We have activated the existing jawatankuasa dalam kerajaan yang kalau dulu namanya jawatankuasa rayuan SKDS, Sistem Kawalan Diesel Bersubsidi. Now we have activated the existing jawatankuasa dengan memperluaskan skop dia kepada SKPS juga. Jadi bukan hanya cover diesel tetapi petrol. Dan jawatankuasa inilah yang akan menimbang dan mencari kaedah terhadap kes-kes sebegini yang belum dapat cover.
He said this after launching the 2025 Buy Malaysian Products campaign with the Malaysian Bumiputra Designers Association in conjunction with My Gaya Month. Yesterday, Finance Minister Datuk Sri Amir Hamzah Azizan said the government was open to extend the BUDI 95 subsidy to small passenger boat operators, especially in Sabah and Sarawak, as their services are vital to rural and island communities.